"48-hour weekend liver, colon and kidney detox" that will remove all toxins and fat from your body. Detoxification is a process aiming to eliminate all the negative effects on our body from the environment, such as industrial chemicals, pesticides, additives in our foods, secondary smoke, pollutants, or heavy metals. Detoxification refers mainly to the removal of toxic substances and cleansing of the kidneys and colon, as these are organs involved in the detoxification of chemicals and toxins from the body. Detoxification is performed in a variety of ways, including nutritional supplements, herbal mixtures, oral chelating agents, safe mercury removal, intravenous injections, colonics, etc. Detoxification is one of the best ways to remain healthy in a polluted and toxic environment. These are signs that detoxification is needed: unexplained headaches or back pain, memory failing, brittle nails and hair, frequent allergies, exposure to cleansing solvents, pesticides, diuretics and certain drugs, etc. One of the benefits of detoxification is that liver, kidney, and blood purification can take place, which wouldn't occur during regular eating patterns. The body's detox system. Did you know that your body has its very own internal detox system? This detox system is consisted of 3 organs: the liver, the kidneys and the colon. The liver is your first line of defense against toxins. Is your liver, which acts like a filter in preventing toxic substances contained in foods from passing into your bloodstream. The colon contains high amount of bacteria, over 700 different types, that produce both healthy and unhealthy chemicals. You want to keep your colon flowing regularly, since its main role is to flush out toxic chemicals before they can do you any harm. The kidneys work like clockwork. They are constantly filtering your blood and getting rid of toxins in the form of urine. You need to maintain these 3 key organs by nourishing your body with the right nutrients, if you want the detox diet to work. Dr. Rose's 48-hour cleanse is based upon eating certain foods that will help these systems running smoothly. You will need to prepare and eat the following meals and snacks 2 days in a row. Breakfast: quinoa with prunes. Start your morning off with a bowl of quinoa. This healthy whole grain is also a complete protein, and it's high in phosphorus and fiber. Top it with prunes. They're high in fiber and sorbitol, a chemical that acts like a laxative. Ingredients: half cup quinoa, rinsed, 1 cup water, 1 pinch nutmeg, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon flaxseed oil, 1/3 cup chopped prunes, 1/4 cup rice milk. Directions: first, add the cup of water in a small pot, and then add the half cup quinoa, a pinch of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Stir the mixture until it boils. When it starts boiling, reduce the heat, cover the pot and simmer for 10 minutes. Then you should add the prunes and the rice milk. Cover the pot and cook another 5 minutes. Before serving, stir in 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil. Detox drinks and snacks: kale, pineapple and ginger detox drink. This purifying beverage contains kale to cleanse the kidneys, pineapple, which has bromelain to aid digestion, and ginger to help stimulate bile flow in your gallbladder. You need to have a blender if you want to make this detox drinks. Ingredients: half cup pineapple, 2 large cucumbers, 1 bunch kale without stems, half lemon, squeezed, 1/4 inch of ginger, 1 bunch of mint, half cup. Put all the ingredients into a blender and blend well. You should make and drink this detox drink between meals, when you feel hungry. Pineapple, lemon, and pomegranate detox drink. If you don't have a juicer to make the first drink, mix up this easy detox concoction with ready-made juices and cut with water. Ingredients: 3/4 cup unsweetened pineapple juice, 1 lemon, 1 cup unsweetened pomegranate juice, 3 cups water. Put all the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Then you should pour the mixture in a bottle. You will get approximately 4 glasses from this recipe, and you can drink them during the day. Enjoy this delicious homemade detox drink. Veggie snack: slice and mix together celery, radishes and cucumber, or any assortment of fresh vegetables. Dress with olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Put this crunchy cleansing treat in plastic baggies or portable containers so you can't take it with you on the run. You can have as much of this snack as you want throughout the day. Lunch: fruit smoothie. This delicious fruit smoothie is full with many essential nutrients: blueberries, loaded with quercetin, a flavonoid that boosts immunity and is good for your liver; bananas, full of vitamin B6, an essential vitamin for liver detoxification; and ground flaxseed, packed with brain-nourishing omega-3s and fiber for healthy elimination. Ingredients: half cup almond or hemp milk plain/unsweetened, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed or chia, 1/4 cup frozen blueberries, 1/4 banana, half cup ice. Directions: put all ingredients in a blender and mix them well. Blend until you get a nice and smooth mix. Dinner, vegetable broth soup. Ingredients: 2 red onions, roughly chopped, 2 stalks celery, roughly chopped, 1 fennel bulb, fronds and stalks included, roughly chopped, 2 teaspoons caraway seeds, 2 teaspoons sea salt, freshly ground pepper, 1 cup sliced shiitake caps, 4 large cloves garlic, chopped, 1 cabbage, roughly chopped, 2 quarts water, 2 tablespoons paprika, 2 tablespoons fresh oregano, chopped, 8 sprigs parsley, chopped stems and leaves, half cup parsley, chopped. Directions: combine all ingredients, except for the chopped parsley, in a pot. Add 2 quarts of water. Bring to a boil and then reduce heat. Simmer covered for about 1 hour. Adjust seasoning. Remove whole parsley sprigs and serve topped with some freshly chopped parsley. Serve with a side of traditionally fermented sauerkraut and chopped apples. This delicious broth soup contains many beneficial nutrients, such as fennel to help bile flow in your gallbladder, garlic to help with liver and gallbladder function, cabbage, excellent for detoxification in both the liver and kidneys, and shiitake mushrooms to boost liver enzymes. Sauerkraut contains probiotics, the good bacteria that protect your GI tract. Apples boost both kidney and liver function. To get the best results from this 48-hour body cleanse, make sure you follow these rules. Don't eat after 7 p.m. Every night, before bedtime you should drink a cup of dandelion root tea. This is an excellent way for your liver to excrete toxins from your body. Take an Epsom salt bath. This type of bath will help you sweat out the toxins and also contains magnesium, which is very good in relaxing the muscles. More food to improve your detox system. The colon: you should eat more whole grain foods, because they contain phosphorus, which is a natural laxative. The whole grain foods also contain high amounts of fiber, which will help you bulk up your stools. Fermented foods like kimchi and sour pickles are also good for your colon, because they are packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that help you protect your colon. The kidneys: you should eat more soy products, such as miso, tofu and edamame, because they all act like diuretics and allow you to urinate more. Cruciferous vegetables, such as cauliflower, bok choy and broccoli also increase the kidney's ability to transport toxins into the urine and help your liver cells to recover faster from detox. The liver: eating dark berries, such as blueberries and blackberries, will help your liver to get rid of certain toxins in your body. Hot peppers are also good for your liver, because they have capsaicin, which boosts enzymes responsible for detoxifying the liver. If the pepper is hotter, it means it has more capsaicin.